वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह Welcome to online English Gurmat class. Today we are going to discuss one of the biggest challenge to Sikh community, that is interfaith marriage. Many Sikh boys and girls are getting married to people of different faiths without knowing its ill effects. We have always seen that marriage between followers of two different faiths cannot move smoothly. It can be celebrated but not practiced. A person cannot walk on two different paths simultaneously, the same way one cannot have two different faiths at the same time. Faith is not a philosophy to be learned, but a path to be followed. Giving respect to a person of another faith is totally different than living with that person as a spouse. To explain this, we can have two examples from our real life. A person cannot be a member of two different political parties at the same time. If one joins another party, one automatically loses the membership of his/her previous party. Another example. A person who tries to sail in two boats always drowns and is not able to reach its destination successfully. As a visitor, one can visit a church, a gurdwara, a temple, or a mosque, but one must decide where one belongs to. One can marry a person born in any faith, but before marriage they have to decide which faith they want to follow. In addition, marriage not only involves two persons living together, but it also involves raising children. If the partners in marriage do not have the same faith, children find it difficult to choose the path of their life. It can be argued that children can be taught about both the faiths, and when they become adults, they themselves may choose the faith they want to follow. Well, we hope for the same, but in practice, it involves real problems. Faith is not like a profession which one can choose later. One has to learn and understand it by living as a faithful. So, last but not the least, we would like to urge all Sikh youngsters to think over these points before going for interfaith marriage. So stay tuned, we will get back with more interesting videos. वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह.